Best car catalytic converters reduce harmful emissions, improve engine efficiency, ensure environmental compliance, and enhance overall vehicle performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car catalytic converters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at fill top front and rear catalytic converter kit. This high-flow catalytic converter is an essential upgrade for 2010 to 2014 Equinox/Terrain 2.4L and 2012 to 2015 Captiva Sport 2.4L, offering effortless compatibility with reference numbers 54850, 642042, 50508, 644015, and 50507. Designed with bolt-on connections and a flange-to-flange layout, installation is straightforward, saving time and hassle. Built to meet OEM specifications, its high-flow performance enhances conversion efficiency and vehicle power without restricting exhaust flow, ensuring your engine runs smoothly while reducing harmful emissions. Constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel, the durable outer shell and firmly welded connections withstand high temperatures and pressure, promising a long service life. Complete with all necessary gaskets and hardware, this catalytic converter simplifies replacement. Compliant with EPA standards, it ensures legal use in most states, except CA, MI, CO, and New York. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it provides peace of mind while saving hundreds compared to dealer prices. Reliable, efficient, and built to last, this catalytic converter is a cost-effective solution for performance and environmental compliance. Now our second product is Foamia's 2.5-inch inlet/outlet universal high-flow front. This catalytic converter is an essential direct replacement for vehicles triggering the P0420 code or suffering from a missing or faulty catalytic converter. Designed to repair faults, reduce engine noise, and purify exhaust emissions, it meets or exceeds OEM standards and has been factory tested for a precise fit, allowing for seamless direct installation. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with aluminized pipes, it resists rust while providing excellent oxygen storage capacity and long-lasting durability. The double-layer, high-temperature-resistant ceramic carrier enhances exhaust flow and surface area, improving engine power and fuel efficiency. With a 2.5-inch inlet and outlet and an 11 overall length, it is crucial to verify compatibility with your vehicle's exhaust system before purchasing. Compliant with EPA and OBD3 standards, this catalytic converter ensures clean air performance and restores quiet, smooth driving. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it offers reliability, cost savings, and peace of mind, making it a smart and durable investment for your vehicle. Our third product is Speed Fusion Catalytic Converter Compatible. This catalytic converter is a reliable replacement for a range of GM vehicles, including 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500, 4.3L V6/5.3L V8, 2015 to 2019 Suburban/Tahoe, 5.3L V8, 2015 to 2019 Yukon/Yukon XL, 5.3L V8, and 2014 to 2018 Sierra 1500, 4.3L V6/5.3L V8. Designed with OEM specifications and EPA certification in mind, it ensures optimal performance and compliance with federal emission standards. Its high-quality stainless steel body houses a porous ceramic core enriched with noble metals, platinum, rhodium, and palladium, which enhance the catalytic conversion rate and significantly improve exhaust purification. Installation is straightforward. Connect to the exhaust manifold and downstream pipe, then tighten with a torque wrench to prevent leaks. While simple enough for experienced DIYers, professional installation is recommended to guarantee proper operation. Please note, this converter is not legal for sale or use in California, Colorado, New York, or Maine due to stricter emission standards. Durable, efficient, and EPA approved, it restores clean emissions and ensures smooth engine performance. Now number 4, Fill Top Catalytic Converter Compatible. This EPA-approved catalytic converter is designed specifically for federal emissions models of Honda and Acura vehicles, including Pilot 3.5L, 2010 to 2015, Odyssey 3.5L, 2011, 2012, 2014, Accord 3.5L, 2008 to 2012, RDX 3.5L, 2013 to 2017, TL 3.5L, 2009 to 2014, Ridgeline 3.5L, 2009 to 2014, Crosstour 3.5L, 2010 to 2015, RL 3.7L, 2009 to 2012, and TSX 3.5L, 2010 to 2014. It is not legal for use in California, New York, or Maine. Engineered with a high-flow internal honeycomb ceramic substrate featuring a porous structure, this catalytic converter increases flow rate and surface area, maximizing catalytic efficiency and improving exhaust purification. Compatible with multiple reference numbers, including 16447, 16643, 40924, 40923, 641,334, and others, it provides reliable performance and restores your vehicle's clean emissions. Installation supports front left, front right, and rear positions, ensuring a perfect fit. Durable and efficient, it helps reduce harmful emissions while maintaining smooth engine performance. Customer support is available for any questions, providing confidence and peace of mind with your purchase. And our last choice is Upgrade Catalytic Converter. The Zygamma Bank 1 Catalytic Converter is a high-performance replacement designed for 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent L4 1.6L, Veloster L4 1.6L, Kia Rio L4 1.6L, and 2012 to 2016 Soul L4 1.6L. Compatible with OE numbers 16680, 641502, 674 to 891, 285102BF1, and 285002BSNA, it ensures a precise fit and reliable operation. Built with a stainless steel body, this catalytic converter offers exceptional resistance to oxidation, corrosion, deformation, leakage, clogging, and wear, guaranteeing long-term durability. Its internal core contains precious metals, platinum, rhodium, and palladium that efficiently catalyze harmful tailpipe emissions, promoting cleaner air and improved environmental compliance. Fully EPA compliant, it meets federal emission standards, though it cannot be sold in California, New York, Maine, or Colorado due to stricter state regulations. With strict factory quality control, each unit undergoes thorough testing before shipment. Choosing this catalytic converter provides peace of mind, restoring smooth engine performance while reducing emissions, making it a durable, efficient, and reliable solution for maintaining your vehicle's performance and environmental compliance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.